Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Likith and you are watching Math Tech YouTube channel. Today let's start our journey with the topic trigonometry. I promise you that after watching my two parts of the trigonometry, you will become the pro in the chapter trigonometry. The only thing you should do is subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the regular notifications of my videos. Come on, let's learn something new today. Come on, let's now explore the chapter trigonometry. Let's start from the basics. Trigonometry is derived from the two Greek words, namely trigonon and metron. Okay, trigonon means triangle and metron means measure. Okay, trigonon and metron. Trigonon means triangle and metron means measure. So we can say that trigonometry is the measure of triangle. Okay, trigonometry is a measure of triangle. Either it is according to the sides, or it is according to the angles. So actually it is introduced by the great mathematician Hipparchus. And why we use the trigonometry? What is the use of trigonometry? Let us imagine that we are watching the top of the Statue of Liberty. Can you measure the height of the Statue of Liberty without any measuring equipment? Yes, it is possible by the trigonometry. So we learn the trigonometry, and I can say that in the trigonometry, the study of rectangle takes place. The trigonometry is the study of rectangle. I can say that the trigonometry is the study of right angle triangle, because no other triangle discussion comes here. Only we discuss about the right angle triangle. Okay, in the right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees, and let us assume the another angle as theta. Okay, that the side adjacent to the theta is known as adjacent side or base. We usually use base. And the side opposite to that angle theta is known as perpendicular or opposite side. And here also we usually use perpendicular. And the longest side or the side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. This is a hypotenuse. Actually all the students by heart this base, perpendicular, hypotenuse, but it's not true in all cases. Now let's take an example. Let's take the example of this figure. Okay, now this is a right angle, and let us assume this. If we take this angle as theta, this side will become the perpendicular and the adjacent side will become base. But if we consider this angle, either it is theta or alpha, okay, if we consider this angle, then this will become the perpendicular with respect to this angle, and this will become the base. So that we can say that it is dependent on the where we take the angle. It is depending on the angle location. Okay, now in the right angle, in the trigonometry, we are having 6 ratios. Okay, only 6 ratios. They are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Somewhat it looks somewhat difficult. So to make it in the simplified form, we write this as sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now it looks somewhat simplified form. Okay, these are the 6 ratios of the trigonometry. Now let us locate these ratios in our right angle triangle. Okay, sine. What is sine? Sine is the perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine is the perpendicular by hypotenuse, means AB by AC. Okay, AB by AC. And cos is equal to base by hypotenuse. BC by AC. Okay, tan is equal to perpendicular by base. Means AB by BC. And cosec is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Means AC by AB. And sec is equal to hypotenuse by base, means AC by BC. Cot is equal to base by perpendicular. Means BC by AC. Okay, Actually we should not by heart this. At the end of the video I will give one of the trick to remember all these 6 ratios. Okay, actually these are the basics of the trigonometry, in which basics of the trigonometry, it is a main part of the trigonometry. Okay, now we can conclude something by seeing sine and cosec. We can conclude that by seeing sine and cosec, they are reciprocals of each other. See, perpendicular by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by perpendicular, means they are the reciprocals of each other. So let us write here sine is equal to 1 by cosec. Okay, sine is equal to 1 by cosec, or cosec is equal to 1 by sine. So at the same time, let us see cos and sec. Okay, cos and sec, base by hypotenuse and hypotenuse by base, means these are also reciprocals of each other. So cos and sec also reciprocals of each other. Cos is equal to 1 by sec. Okay, cos is equal to 1 by sec, or sec is equal to 1 by cos. And by seeing tan and cot, we can also also call tan and cot, they are also reciprocals of each other. Okay, tan is equal to perpendicular by base and cot is equal to base by perpendicular. So we can also conclude that tan and cosec cot are reciprocals of each other. Okay, reciprocals of each other. So we have discussed that 6 trigonometric ratios. What is the trigonometry, from where the trigonometry is derived from, and what are the 6 ratios of the trigonometry, and what are the relation between the trigonometric ratios, means relation between sine and cosec, cos and sec, tan and cot. Okay, now let us discuss the trick to remember these 6 ratios. 6 ratios, actually it is used by the so many teachers. PBP HHB. Okay, PBP HHB, Pandit Baba Prasad Har Har Bole. Remember this, Pandit Baba Prasad Har Har Bole. Imagine that one of the sadhu's name is Pandit Badri Prasad, Pandit Baba Prasad. He has a long name, Pandit Baba Prasad Har Har Bole. He prayed the God. This is a code to remember this trick, Pandit Baba Prasad Har Har Bole. Okay, here sine, actually we should follow this sequence: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. This is useful in the trigonometric table as well as and this trick also. So let us follow this sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, Pandit Baba Prasad Har Har Bole. Okay, writing sine cos tan, cosec, sec, cot, sine, cos, tan, and the reciprocal of sine is cosec, so cosec. Reciprocal of cos is sec, so sec. Reciprocal of tan is cot, so write cot here. And the for sine is locate the arrow downwards, for cos and for tan also, and for cosec, sec, cot, let's locate the arrows upward. Okay, so that sine is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, cos is equal to base by hypotenuse, tan is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay, next reverse, cosec is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular, sec is equal to hypotenuse by base, cot is equal to base by perpendicular. So this is one of the trick to remember the 6 ratios. I hope you love this video. In my next video, let's learn what is trigonometric table, how to remember trigonometric table, trigonometric identities, and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So I want your support. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the regular notifications, and don't forget to like the video.